Do you feel the summer heat sapping your energy and leaving you parched? Summer's blaze can be intense, its sweltering grip leaving us weary, dehydrated, and longing for relief. The sun's rays, while beautiful, can be relentless, draining our bodies of vital fluids and making every movement feel like a monumental task. Hydration, therefore, becomes not just a need, but a survival strategy in these torrid times. You might be wondering, what could possibly quench your thirst and revitalize you? We have just the answer for you. Introducing the perfect summer sip, a healthy and refreshing drink that is easy to prepare. This is more than just a beverage. It's an experience, a flavorful dance of fresh fruits, herbs, and water that not only cools you down, but also boosts your health. So let's get started. First things first, gather your ingredients. The beauty of the perfect summer sip is that it's completely customizable, but we'll give you a basic recipe to start with. You'll need some crisp, fresh fruits. Think of fruits that scream summer: juicy watermelons, tangy pineapples, or sweet strawberries. Next, you'll need some aromatic herbs. Mint is a classic choice, but don't shy away from experimenting with basil, rosemary, or even lavender. Lastly, you'll need some good old H2O. Now let's bring these elements together. Start by chopping your chosen fruits into bite-sized pieces. Then, take your herbs and give them a rough chop. This releases their essential oils, which will add a depth of flavor to your drink. Next, take a large pitcher and fill it halfway with your chopped fruits and herbs. Gently muddle them together. This isn't a wrestling match, so no need to pulverize them. You just want to coax out their flavors. Then fill the pitcher with water. Stir it gently, allowing the flavors of the fruits and herbs to infuse the water. Patience is key here. Let it sit for at least a couple of hours in the refrigerator. The longer it sits, the more the flavors will meld together. And there you have it, a drink that's as beautiful to look at as it is to sip. Remember, this is your perfect summer sip. Feel free to play around with the ingredients. If you love the citrusy punch of lemons, throw some in. If you're a fan of a little heat, why not add some slices of jalapeno? The possibilities are truly endless. Now you have your perfect summer sip ready. But what makes it so special? Not only is the perfect summer sip delicious, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Let's dive into these benefits, shall we? First and foremost, the perfect summer sip aids in hydration. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. This delightful drink not only quenches your thirst, but also replenishes your body's water content, helping you stay cool and refreshed. Moreover, the perfect summer sip is packed with natural vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are essential for our bodies, supporting everything from our immune system to our heart health. With every sip, you're nourishing your body with the goodness of nature, helping you stay healthy and vibrant. But that's not all. The perfect summer sip also plays a crucial role in detoxification. It helps cleanse your body from the inside out, flushing out toxins and impurities. This detoxifying effect can lead to clearer skin, better digestion, and overall improved health. And it doesn't stop there. The perfect summer sip can also give you a much-needed energy boost. It's a refreshing pick-me-up that can help you fight summer fatigue and keep you active throughout the day. Plus, its natural ingredients can help improve your mood, making those long summer days even more enjoyable. So the next time you feel the summer heat getting to you, remember the perfect summer sip. It's more than just a drink. It's your health and happiness in a glass.